Little tomcat, stay close to me, 'cause there are clouds on the horizon and a chill on the breeze. We're alone here, but don't you be scared. I've got a calloused hand, a farmer's tan, and I'm happy to share. You and I will both get by. Just promise you won't stray. All that I need is some dirt and a seed, and I will feed you till the summer blows away. Little tomcat, don't be afraid when there's a stirring in the meadow or a noise in the shade. I'll defend you and lead you from harm. If you should find yourself in peril, I will guard you in my arms. You and I will both get by. Just promise you won't stray. All that I need is some dirt and a seed, and I will feed you till the summer blows away. I've seen people come and depart. With everyone there's a start and there's an end. I'm sick and tired of failed desires. What I really need is just a friend. Little tomcat, don't let me down, 'cause I have spent so long forsaken in this lonely old town. You don't judge me or tell me I'm wrong. If you will take me as I am, then I will take you along. You and I will both get by. Just promise.
はい、では次にこちらのアイアンペイントを塗っていきたいと思います。
some dirt and a seed, and I will feed you till the summer blows away. All that I need. 'A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I'm sitting there at work and I realize I forgot to wake up. I can't be productive when I'm dreaming about a sheep. I go upstairs and get myself another cup of coffee. I get downstairs and then I spill it on the floor. Well, my life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep, and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. stop. Lunch hour's over and I can't stay up. I've got to drink coffee, but that's a mistake. I'd best switch to decaf or I'll stay awake. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I stick to what I know.
はい、ということで今回は DIY 動画オープンクローゼット編ご覧いただきましてありがとうございました。こういった感じで他にも DIY 動画出していきたいと思いますので、また遊びに来ていただけると嬉しい限りでございます。ご視聴いただきましてありがとうございました。ではまた。
You suck it till your fingers burn and then you throw it on the ground. I'll be right behind you, Josephine. Even after everything we've seen. In this sterile room with blinding lights and faces pointing down.